Heck yeah. I tell you what, that's pretty good, I believe. The EB1000 taking in 88 and 89 watts out of a 100-watt panel. And the panel is made by EBL. It's the ESP-100. And I tell you what, it's doing pretty daggone good. I tell you what, I had a lot of comments on this little power station here, and quite a few people asked me if I could get a hold of the EBL panels, and believe it or not, EBL was good enough to send them to me. But you can see what it's bringing in right now, and I think that's daggone good. I seen 88 watts. Now these are the ESP-100 by EBL, and I'll tell you what, these are pretty nice foldable panels. They've got a 200 watt as well, and I'll be honest with you, I'd rather the 200 watt, but you know, hey, these are pretty nice. Got really nice handles on them. They've got magnets right here and right here, and they connect to the other handle right there. You got your little kickstand legs, adjustable. Just stretch them out. Got a little carrying case bag built in on the back to carry your cables. And these are MC4. Grab them there. Yeah, these are pretty nice. You can tell today we've got a lot of cloudy skies. But these right here, they're very portable, light. And I tell you what, I mean, honestly, EBL makes a good solar panel. I just proved that to you. For 100 watts and you're getting in the 80s, that's pretty daggone good. These MC4s are connected to the panels themselves. Then they give you a little set with MC4 on one end, and it comes down and it splits. And you've got Anderson and a barrel connector. And as you can see, we are still bringing in 84. I seen 86 a second ago when I was leaning down. 85. So it's just kind of going up and down, but it's staying in the 80s. But there's 85, 86. Turn this light on again. It's the clouds coming over. But I think it's pretty good. And again, this is the EBL model ESP-100 portable solar panel. It weighs 9.3 pounds, and it does have a 2-year factory warranty. The measurements folded are 23 inches by 23 inches and 1.2 inches thick. It's IP65 waterproof. And I'll tell you what, these things honestly have really surprised me for a 100 watt panel. It supports series and parallel connection. The cell efficiency is up to 23%. They're anti-scratch. Easy to clean. The legs are adjustable from 45 degrees to 75 degrees. I'm going to give you just a good view of the box. EBL 100 watt portable solar panel. Right there is the model ESP-100, and they do make a ESP-200. Green energy, high efficiency conversion rate, 100 watt power, high power, wide compatibility, foldable and portable. Down here is your general specifications. Model ESP-100, solar panel monocrystalline, silicone cell. Material is 900D Oxford fabric. Surface treatment ETFE. Solar energy conversion rate 23%. Peak power 100 watt. Output interface MC4 connectors. Open circuit voltage 21.6 volts. Max load voltage 18 volt. Max load current 5.55 amps. And then there's your measurements right there. Just wanted to show that to you. Again, very light, easy to move around. You've got your bag right here. Keep all your cables in, your legs. You got grommets, so you can stake them down, tie it to a tree or an RV. They're on all corners. So yes, very nice panels. If you follow along with my channel, you already know about a month and a half ago, I'd done a review on the EB1000 portable power station here by EBL. And to my surprise, it honestly is a good little power station. My wife's pretty much taken it away from me. She uses it to wash clothes. We just plug the washer up to it, and that's basically its life now, unless we have a power outage. But it does run my double door refrigerator, my single door refrigerator, both of my stand-up freezers, laptop, desktop computer, lights, stuff like that, fan. And I'll mention this, if you have a CPAP or oxygen concentrator, you know, a hospital bed that goes up and down, you know, for an elderly person or a sick person that runs off electricity, this would be perfect because it's got a budget price, but it does a lot. And it also has got a flashlight on it, a little lamp on the side. These done really good. And to be honest, the other day I had them out here. Like I said, it's a little cloudy today. I was bringing about 91, 92 watts out of these, which really surprised me. I didn't think they could do that, but they did. But EBL has got everything of their products. They're budget priced. They don't bust you up, but yet you can depend on them. So I want to thank EBL for sending me the power station and the panels, because I tell you what, this is a nice little setup right here. If it were me though, I would recommend the 200-watt panels. That way you can charge this up faster. But as far as reliability, I've not had a problem with either one. I really do like them. And I mean, for the money, you really can't beat them. Like I said, when a power outage comes along, the main thing to me is your refrigerator. And to me, this right here, this is a lifesaver. And two, like I said, an oxygen concentrator for an elderly person or somebody with bad breathing. Keep that going too. But yeah, I would recommend these. But this right here, I'm telling you, check out the box right there. Again, this is the ESP-100 model, but they do make a 200 model too. I'm going to put in the descriptions a link to my previous video of the EB1000 portable power station. And like I said, if I was looking at these, I would get this and the panels, you know, unless you already got panels. But this is a lifesaver for the money, I'm flat telling you. And I'll leave the links for this and the panels down there and my previous video. And to EBL, I'm flat telling you, I don't know how many people has commented on this video. We would love to get the 2400 portable power station on here and let people see that run our refrigerators and stuff. And that one I know would run a microwave, air fryer. That way people can see exactly what it can do. But you wouldn't believe the people has commented on this video right here. I'm telling you what, I did not think people would like it so much and so well, but believe me, they do. I actually had one person comment on this, probably about a week ago, and a week and a half ago. They asked me, they said, why don't you get the EBL solar panels and attach to it and let us see what it'll bring in? And I replied, and it's still on that video, I said, it's funny that you should say that. I said, because they're in the mail now, and I'm going to review them. And I just thought that was funny that they asked for them, and here we got them. So I love when people have questions. We can talk back and forth, help each other out. But my honest opinion, for the money, if you're just not wanting to break the bank, EBL is a company to look at as far as a portable power station and panels. No joke. These are good little setup right here for RV, camping, you know, emergency blackout, tailgating, you know, just a family gathering outside. I'm flat telling you, hook your lights up to it, you know, stuff like that, a radio with some speakers, gets down on power, break out the solar panels, charge it up. So, hey, I appreciate you watching the video. I really do. I appreciate a little thumbs up, help the video out, get the algorithm to pick up our channel and throw it out there to others. But I do thank you for watching. I'll be coming out with another video probably within a week or so. I do recommend EBL. Check them out. Check out the previous video. Hey, I thank y'all very much, and hopefully EBL will send us that 2400 watt portable power station, and we can really do some testing on our refrigerators, microwave, air fryer, and we can see really what a powerhouse can do. Hey, thank y'all very much. Take care of your family. Take care of your friends. God bless.